Hello guys, and this is how to use the find function in the chip in the Melon Soundbox. First, open the chip editor and then add the output. Set it type to string and name it display. Then make two inputs. Set their type to string. Name the one word and name the one find. And then connect it like this. First, connect the word into value and connect the find into find. And connect its output to string and connect the result to display, and after that save it. 3. Next script do what I do in this part. Clear the no connection. There you have it, a find function.